Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Let's continue our next video about how to interpret the curve of concentration of reactants and products against time for reversible reaction. Kita hanya fokus untuk reversible reaction di mana you've already learned that between reactant A and product B, both of them can reverse both directions, forward direction and reverse direction. So now, you should know from here, there will be relationship between their concentration with the time when the chemical reaction happen. So macam mana kita nak faham dengan lebih lanjut, awak kena tahu how to read the graph. This is the concentration time graph between reactant A dan product B. Saya hanya gunakan one species untuk both side. So kita akan ada this one where from the graph you should understand that reactant concentration dia akan berkurang with time. However, concentration for product B increase with time. So ini secara general. Sebab tu bila produk dia akan makin bertambah, increase with time. Bila reactant dia akan makin berkurang with time. Seterusnya, after time T1, concentration A and concentration B remain constant. You can see that ada horizontal line after T1. So, A dengan B horizontal line sebab tu dia constant. Di sini, maksudnya kita illustrate di mana the system is in the state of equilibrium. Kedua-dua concentration for both reactant and product sudah achieve equilibrium. Kita akan continue from there as the reaction proceeds. Rate of forward reaction decreases kerana reactant kita akan makin berkurang. Tapi rate of reverse reaction di mana produk kita akan makin bertambah by the end of the reaction. So, dia akan keep going until when the rate of forward and reverse reaction becomes equal, concentration A and concentration B remain constant. So at this point, the system is said to be in chemical equilibrium. It means that after time 1, reaction masih lagi continue. It did not stop even after equilibrium has been achieved. However, the rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of reverse reaction. You can see there is no net change in concentration for both reactant and product. Di sinilah kita akan conclude the final point. This equilibrium is a dynamic equilibrium. So, itu cara macam mana awak baca graph of concentration versus time and how you describe the concentration for reactant A and product B based on the graph. Next part, you should know how to sketch the graph of concentration for reactant and product against time for reversible reaction. From before, saya tunjuk secara general between A dan B. Right now, I have a specific equation for reversible reaction di mana 2SO2 plus O2 reversible with 2SO3. So how to do this? First thing first, you have to draw your axis. This is y-axis for concentration. So concentration usually in units molar. And then x-axis is for the time. Units for the time usually in second. After that, jangan lupa give the title for your graph. So this is graph of concentration versus time. So this is how you write the title. And after that, daripada equation, saya boleh nampak ada koefisien 2 SO2 di hadapan SO2 dan 1 di hadapan O2. So between reactant, we should know that reactant rate of forward reaction akan berkurang. Tapi untuk produk, rate of reverse reaction akan bertambah. Macam kita buat reaction lah. Pada awalnya, produk masih belum terhasil, tapi at the end of the reaction, produk akan terhasil. So that's why reactant akan makin berkurang untuk hasilkan produk. So from this part, we can understand the concentration for SO2 is decreased 2 times, then concentration O2. Sebab koefisien 2 dekat depan ni. Yang ini ada 1. So, macam mana saya nak draw the graph? I will start with concentration O2 first. I pick the green color. Start from any point dan graph kita akan menurun, lepas tu mendatar. So, saya akan draw like this one. This is for the concentration O2. Next one, I pick the red color to illustrate the line for concentration SO2. SO2 is decreased 2 times. Maknanya dia berkurang 2 kali ganda. So, pick any point below green line. Saya akan go from here to here. So, this is for the concentration SO2. And then, settle untuk bahagian reactant. Now, we go for product. For the product, it is for the rate of reverse, di mana it is increasing over the time. So, I pick black color for SO3. Produk kita berbeza dengan reactant. Kalau reactant kita boleh pick any point, sini atau sana. Tapi untuk produk dia sentiasa bermula daripada 0. Because at the initial reaction, produk masih belum terhasil. That's why I'm going to start from 0. And then from here, go up and horizontal line. This is for the concentration SO3, our product. And then seterusnya, lepas kita dah sketch concentration line untuk kesemua reactants dan juga produk, we have to indicate point di mana line awak constant. Line constant adalah bermula daripada saat dia mendatar, horizontal line, untuk ketiga-tiganya. I'm going to label this line from here as TA. Saya guna unknown TA. So, bermula daripada time A, concentration for all species become constant. So, ini adalah how you sketch the graph for concentration versus time for any equations given. Now, from here, saya akan continue how to describe the graph. When you want to describe the graph, so I will pick this one back. This is from what I've already drew from before. Saya akan split my explanation into 2 parts. This is going to be the first part and this is going to be the second part. So, for the first part, it is what we call as at the beginning of reaction, concentration SO2 and O2 decreases with time. So, the rate of forward reaction also decreases. However, concentration for SO3, our product, increases with time. So, the rate of reverse reaction increases. So, 2 points for the explanation at the beginning of this reaction. Bahagian 1. Next, go to the second area. This is what we call as at dynamic equilibrium. So, at dynamic equilibrium, at TA, concentration SO2, O2, and SO3, all of them become constant. So, there will be no further change in their concentration versus time after TA. Sebab tu, labeling untuk TA is very important in your sketching. Next point, reaction does not stop, but rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of reverse reaction. So, I hope all of you can understand how to describe the graph for concentration of reactants and products against time for reversible reaction. So, as a conclusion for this video, semua sudah faham macam mana nak interpret the curve untuk concentration versus time dan juga cara nak lukis ataupun sketch the graph. That's all from me. I will see you in the next one. Bye!